Alright, hi Milo Nation, it's me, Eyeliner Knives, and I am actually a hot mess. I have not filmed, well actually that's a lie, I have not uploaded in months. However, I've been filming a lot and I've been erasing it all, so yeah. Now today I'm like, alright, I need to sit down and I need to film a video for you guys so you guys are not left hanging. There's so many looks that I've saved on here that I want to recreate. And I feel like I'm gonna do something very, I don't wanna say subtle because knowing me, it's not gonna become a subtle look. I've tried doing subtle looks and I just really can't seem to ace it. Oh no, I can't think about anything. My nerves have been bad. Don't know what the fuck I used in this picture, but this is, I'm referencing my own photo. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to recreate this Instagram look that I did with my shitty memory. This is gonna be fun because I don't remember the fuck I used. Sorry. My life has been super chaotic and I don't even know where to begin it. I'm not even sure I want to even talk about it in this video. I feel like after I do my makeup, then I'll talk about it. But holy fuck, my stomach has been in knots for the past 3 months, maybe more. And whoo, just shit has been happening. See, I have been out of the loop for a while and I didn't even tell you what I was using. Okay, so I'm using the CoverGirl Lid Lockup. I love this stuff so much. It's fairly inexpensive and yeah, go get it. Just kidding, you don't have to. So I'm gonna go into the shade E4, and this is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills the collection, the Norvina Volume 3 palette. I said it were more complicated than it really was. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm a mess. I am one big bag of nerves, and I have been for the past 3 months. I don't even know, like I said, I don't even know where to begin. So I'm gonna go ahead, in the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna go ahead and place E4, which is the bright yellow shade from the Norvina palette. And don't worry if you're at home and you're like, I can't afford the Norvina palette or I don't have that palette. Pretty much any yellow would work. You don't even have to use yellow. This is just kind of more like a get ready with me more than it is a tutorial. Yeah, so how, are you guys working or are you guys quarantined? I'm working currently, so I'm above and beyond stressed. My freaking shifts at work are so insane. They're not even pretty much within my availability. They're not within my availability. You know, I was originally, when I first started the job, working 11 to 7s. Sucked so bad. I hated those shifts. And I actually got them to change it to 10 to 6, which is just, you know, an hour that way, you know. And it worked. It was so much better. An hour makes a big difference. It really does. So I'm gonna go in with this CoverGirl Lid Lockup again, and I'm gonna go into an orange shade. So I'm probably gonna do A2 and A5, mix those together and do those. So here is A2, A5. So it's gonna be these orange shades right here. So, yeah, I got my schedule changed to 10 to 6. Really loved it, really appreciated it. My fiance really appreciated it because we could actually see each other a little bit longer than we were when I was working 11 to 7s. The pandemic hit. It's really serious. I'm a beauty consultant, by the way. So since this pandemic is like, don't touch your face, stay 6 feet apart, my whole job is pretty much non-existent. And yeah, so they moved me to being a cashier. So I went from beauty consultant, running the beauty area, in my department, to being a cashier. Nothing wrong with being a cashier. I was a cashier way before, you know, all this stuff. So I had experience being a cashier, okay? Nothing wrong with it. Only thing is, I'm just not in my element anymore. I still do my makeup and everything for work because I technically still am a beauty consultant, just not in the beauty area at the moment. I'm just at a register. But anyway, so that happened. And my schedule got all kinds of flipped. All kinds of freaking flipped. I am working like morning shifts, mid shifts, night shifts, mid shifts, morning shifts, night. So it's like midnight, morning, night, mid morning, like every single day, if not every other day, is a different schedule for me. So my sleep is a fucking mess. Yeah, I have to check my schedule pretty much every other day because I don't know what time I'm working. Almost every single variation of 8 hours that you can think of, they've scheduled me in 1 week. I'm like, I'm grateful that I have a job still, but also I don't want to have a job right now. It's helping me pay bills, but also if I could stay home and take care of my pets and cuddle them all damn day, I choose that 1000%. And also, I should add why it's been a mess, because my fiance actually got switched to 4 a.m. to noon. That is his shift that he's been working this entire time. And some days when I'm at home, I work 11 to 7, I'm actually leaving an hour before he actually can get home. So I barely see him. And then to make it even crazier, he can't get overtime. Like, jobs are cutting off overtime, you know? So it's been just a mess. It's been a mess, to be honest. And so he gets off on the weekends, but I work on Saturdays. And he's off on Saturdays, so I'm just like, well, I'm sorry, I have to go to work. And he hates that. He really hates it, and it's not my fault that I work, okay? Not my fault. I can't even choose my hours even if I wanted to. What color should I do? Should I do purple? I'll do purple. Okay, I'm doing purple. Ugh, my mind is in a billion directions. I'm drained. It's so crazy to me. It's so crazy. I've worked there for almost a year, and I've never seen a store that busy, ever. But as soon as everyone needs to stay home, everyone wants to go outside. What is up with that? What is up with that? I understand that you need your essentials, you know, but some people are coming in getting like a can of Pringles and, you know, things like that. Like, those aren't really not essentials unless like you have a condition where you need Pringles. I don't know. Okay, so we're looking a hot mess.
I'm so over this. I'm over this. I'm over it.
And this is my second time doing my makeup because I messed up the first time. Because my eyeliner was all the way up here, out here, up here. It was a mess. But anyway, how are you guys doing? How is this virus affecting your life? Let me know in the comments below. I'll read through your stories for sure. And yeah, I might even respond if it's something I can respond to. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this primer and just slap it on my lid. And that is what we gonna do. I was probably talking about something and I don't remember what it was, like, honestly. Oh. Okay, so I have the purple here, but I have the orange here. So what I'm gonna do is probably fade it out to about right here, but to fade it out, I'm actually gonna use the transition shade of this color and put it there, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna just take this pink and blend it. Coming together, slowly but surely, it's coming together. I'm gonna actually add in more of my primer. And I'm not gonna pat it out. I'm gonna see what it does. So I'm gonna go into my Norvina palette and use the shade 85 and pack that on there. All right, I'm gonna try a different brush. All right, so this is what it's looking like so far. It's going somewhere, but I don't know where that place is. I don't know where it's going. It's going somewhere though. It's going. Oh, yeah, so that annoys me a lot. When I'm like, how's it going? And they're like, oh, it's going. Like, what kind of answer is that? I'm gonna be using the shade Fair Warm in the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the 16-hour wear one, and I'm gonna use this to cut my crease. I like it because it's like super full coverage and it dries down relatively fast, which I know some people really hate when their stuff dries down really fast, but in this case, you kind of want it to dry down a little fast, unless you can't get your line straight, which, you know, no one's perfect. So it looks like this right now, and it looks a fucking mess, but we're gonna clean it up later. Well, damn it, Janet, I was not even recording. Now I'm gonna go in with this purple shade that I've used up here and just kind of like tuck it in right here, my inner corner, as much as I can. don't even know what I'm doing. This is not even, I didn't even mean to use that color. But I guess I'm adding red right there. Why not? Shit. Alright, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of pink. And kind of like diffuse that red a little bit. Alright, that's a little bit better. A little bit. Should I do green, or is green just doing way too much? I'm gonna add green because I'm fucking too much already. So I'm gonna add some green because why the fuck not? I'm gonna take the shade A4 in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Kind of like that. Now I'm gonna take the shade D3 in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Oh, I like that even more. Yeah, perfect. I like this green. Look at that. Wow, it really does, it adds some dimension or something. It adds what I was missing. I'm really glad I did that. Now I'm gonna take the shade B3 in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 3 palette. Just in case I never mentioned what palette it was from. I don't remember anymore. I don't know. Okay, so now I need a color that's gonna fade, or actually I'm gonna use a darker green. Yeah, I'm gonna use E1. Oh yeah, that's what I was missing. Watermelon Realness Honey. Okay, so this is what we ended up with so far. I say so far because my dumb ass is gonna try adding a wing to this. Yeah. You know what? Ooh. I'm gonna do something a little risky. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Fuck yeah. I'm gonna cut this crease again. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do? Actually, I'm going to do something I probably shouldn't do. And so I'm gonna do it. Taking more of the camo concealer and I'm just putting it on the Fineliner Lavish brush that we got in BoxyCharm. And I'm actually gonna cut this crease once more. Don't know why I just didn't use this brush in the first place. Look how beautiful that line is. And so right now we're just ending up with cut crease after cut crease after cut crease, and I'm liking it. So I'm gonna cut that shit. Actually I want to add yellow. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it again. Actually no, I'm gonna wait to cut the crease after I fill this in with color. So I'm gonna take my E4, or I'm gonna take the shade E4 and put it right in the center of my eye. Bright neon yellow. Smack that right in the center of my eye. And I'm putting orange on right here. Nice. Okay, I'm actually gonna add some red in the inner corner of my eye. I'm just doing this a whole bunch of random ass colors and just hoping it turns out okay. After this, I'm gonna add probably a purple. Should I do green? No, I have green right here and then purple right here. So what should I do right here? Blue? No, not blue. No, purple. I just keep going back to purple, but I did purple, green. I'm at a loss, guys. I don't know. I keep thinking blue, but I'm like, it's gonna look really, I just knocked half my shit off my desk. White? No, because these are white. I'm gonna do blue, although everything in my body is telling me not to do blue. So I'm gonna do blue. I like it. Ooh. That's what I needed. I'm gonna go in here and actually darken up that green a bit. And then I'm gonna darken up this purple too. Ooh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a really dark blue and go under, like above this and just kind of like smoke it out. Ooh, we're doing something. We're doing it. So now I'm gonna take this liner that I had that stuff on, concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease right here. I thought I stopped recording and I was gonna kill my, I was gonna be mad. Oh shit, was I working on a frame this entire time? Bitch. Okay. So what I'm doing is just adding some liner here. This might be a huge ass mistake, but I'm gonna do it anyway, cause why the fuck not? Ooh, okay. Ooh, that is a lot of cut creases, man. I should have stopped. Now if I could just remember what the fuck I did here, I have to fill that in again. Sorry for cursing so much. I about had it with everything right now. I had it. And then I'm actually gonna do like a pink, like a neon pink. And some red here. A normal person would have been done half an hour ago. But welcome to my channel. I'm not normal. I'm actually gonna add a winged eyeliner to this. So you guys, this is gonna be a nightmare to try recreating on this eye. I really don't know where my eyeliner went. Alright, so for my eyeliner, I guess I'm going to be using the Revlon Color Stay Sharp line because I can't find the Wet n Wild one I was using, and I really like that liner. It was like the breakup proof, waterproof one, and I really like it. So what I'm gonna do here is just draw like a really thin black line going across my lash line like that, and then I'm gonna connect the wing. Okay, so here is my wing liner. Wow. Wow. Eesh. What do you guys think? That's wild. I can't believe I did that shit. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop a lash on. Look at the back of my hand. I should probably, I don't know. I don't fucking know. So I feel like this look needs a big lash. So I'm probably gonna use like one of these up here. Or yeah, probably. Here are the lashes I'm planning on wearing with this look. They're really long, but I don't know, we'll try it. So while that lash dries, I'm actually gonna try to start getting a head start on this eye because what the fuck did I do, man? I don't know. I don't know what I did. Oh, I have a headache. Man, I have a lot of anxiety right now. This is, whew. I feel like I already fucked up. And I didn't even do anything. Alright, so that concludes today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. The makeup actually came out kind of wicked. Here is how it looks all together. Alright, so I will see you guys in my next video, which I'm actually filming right after this. Thank you, my little nation, for tuning in and watching this video. I will try to make it as short as I can for you. Yeah, so I hope you guys have a really great day, and my fiance is actually sleeping right now, so that's why I'm talking at a lower level, but I will go ahead and see you guys next time. Bye.